Welcome back to my channel. I am going to be sharing with you guys how I'm going to be doing a background using the watercolor brush pens. I've already started a little bit, and I said, hey, I need to record this so that you guys can see what's going on and how easy it is to make a background with the watercolor brush pens. So I'm taking this light blue here. And because the tips are so super pointy, I can just get into those little tiny areas and just kind of do what I need to do. I'm taking this light blue here, and what I'm doing is I'm not filling in the whole area. I'm just filling in some of the area, and then I'll put water on it. Kind of give it that watercolor love. And then I'll go back into it and give a little, just very lightly go over it with some more color. So what I'm going to do is kind of outline this whole thing. I've already went inside in the areas where, you know, there was blue. Here's a little area right there. That would be the outer color. So now what I'm going to do, guys, I don't want to color this whole page with my markers. So I'm just going to just outline it. Let's just do this bottom portion here. I don't want to do the whole thing, so I'm going to be very light with it. I don't want to use up all of my ink. So I'm kind of light-handed with it. I'll go up here a little bit too. And we'll see how this looks. Now, done that, so now I'm going to take my pen, my water brush pen, and get some water flowing through the chamber, and then just kind of get it wet here. I kind of just wanted to, I'm not really trying to spread the color a whole lot. I just want to give it just a little, give it a little water so it can look like kind of watery. And I wanted to go ahead and do that before it kind of dried on me. Let's get in the inside here. And it's like super easy, guys. You don't have to be super precise. Got your background going on. So I'll take my water brush pen. And not enough water is coming out. I want some more water to come out, man. There we go. This water brush that actually comes with it does a really good job in, you know, the water not just flowing out like some of those water brushes. The water just flows out all crazy. And And that's not doing that. Okay, so let's go all the way around. Let me start down here. Oh, now I have to be careful around this pink because it'll turn to purple. And I kind of want that jagged, free watercolor look. Doesn't have to be perfect, guys. There we go. I'm loving that. I'm so loving that, guys. Let's get a little blurriness going on right here. I didn't want to color the whole page because I just didn't want that look. But I wanted that outlined kind of look. Uh-oh, I missed that down there. There we go. Yes. How easy. There you go. I love it, guys. Don't you just love it? So that's how you achieve a background using your watercolor brush pens on a picture. How easy and how nice. All right, guys, I'll insert a picture at the end so you can see a still life picture of this beautiful picture. So I finished it, guys. Can you believe it? I can't. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to consider subscribing to my channel so that I can know that you are enjoying videos like these, okay? I will see you guys on the next episode. But until then, happy coloring. Bye.